Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Word.
How to count words in a Microsoft Word document. Say that we are handing over an essay that we typed in Microsoft Word and we know that the document that we must deliver is restricted to either 2,000 or 30,000 words. We know that we must stay within the limit, otherwise there will be a penalty. So, how can we know how many words we have typed in exactly? This is where we must use the word count feature. With the word count feature available in Microsoft Word, besides counting words, we can count pages, characters with spaces, characters without spaces, paragraphs and lines. Stay tuned to learn how to count words in a Microsoft Word document. I have created a Microsoft Word document that contains a lot of pages, and to be precise, it contains 56. I now want to count the exact words that I've typed in the document. I select the Review tab and locate the area of the ribbon named Proofing, which is located at the left. I then hover my mouse over the word count command, where I am notified with the following. Word count, words, characters, lines. We count them so you don't have to. I just select the word count command and the word count dialog box will appear. Word count, statistics, pages, words, characters, no spaces, characters with spaces, paragraphs, lines. We just read the word count statistics dialog box, where once finished, we just press the close button to return to our document. Another way to have a quick glimpse of different statistics such as word count, character count, with spaces among other, is to look at the status bar, which is located at the bottom of Microsoft Word. If they do not appear, all we need to do is to do a right click on the status bar, and from the shortcut menu that appears, we just click on the statistic that we want and it will appear. We can see the Customize Status Bar shortcut menu where the word count statistic is activated and shown. For your information, a paragraph is a text that we have typed and that ends when we press the Enter key on our keyboard. A single character, a word, a sentence, or a document that is full of sentences is a paragraph if we have pressed the Enter key.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.